Hello! Welcome back to the Plant Chronicles, where every day I try not to kill my plants. And today we have Happy Mail from Amazon. And let's see what we got. We got some Happy Plant Mail. I've been waiting for this. I'm so excited. And it's in another box. Okay. Bring it down. I do not have the best background. I don't even care. This is I work in this room. Work, wrap gifts. This is my actual office for my regular 9-to-5 job. This is also the office for my business, where I make candles, soap, scrubs, all those things. So this is a working room. It's not a pretty planty room with all the plant backgrounds. This is a working room. So I'll get a nice plant background eventually, but this is what you got. This is real life, honey. This is real life. Okay. What do we have? Oh my gosh. Can I get it out of a box? It's Lechuza PON. I'm so excited. Oh my God. And I just can't hide it. I got Lechuza PON and I think I like it. This is 12 liters of Lechuza PON. I plan on transferring most of my plants to it. But the one project that I wanted to do today, let me bring you back up. The one project I wanted to do today, which I can't do now, and I'm gonna show you why. Put this back here. Okay, I'm back. So the vision I had for this plant was, this is my Monstera Adansonii, and she's giving me a new baby. She's new. I think I got her in November. She's beautiful, and I bought this from the store like this. It's just in water and some rocks, and it puts soil on top. So this is how I got her from when I did an event. I do vending in the French Quarter here in New Orleans, and I bought a little plant from the store that I was vending at, and this is how it came. So I left it alone. But this is not very aesthetically pleasing. So I wanted to keep this, since this is in water, and this is in Grow Concentrate, and a little bit of Enrich. And I said, okay, well, I'm just gonna keep this. I'm gonna put this in pond, because it's already in rocks, right? Just makes sense. I went to Michael's today and got this on clearance for $3. Well, look, there's no drainage hole. And I was like, I'm just gonna put the pond in here and just put her in here. It's just so pretty. Of course, it's not going to make any sense because I will never know when the water needs to be changed or filled. And I don't have any of those clear nursery pots. I think I may have, the whole purpose is she needs a bigger jar. I don't think I have a bigger, my only option is to put this in a nursery pot and make this a cash pot, obviously. I'm trying to figure out if I have one. Let me go outside and see, hold on. Okay, I found one. This is a nursery pot. Here we go. Let's see if it'll fit inside. My vision is not coming to life. It has a lot of space, but come on, y'all. Like, that's not what I was going for. Dang it. And plus, the whole point was to give this baby more space. Would this be an upgrade? Dang it. Ugh. Hold on. Thankfully, I got another size at Michael's. Okay. That'll work. But I wanted to use this for something else. The bigger one. See? I wanted to use it for something else, but... oh well. It's actually kind of good. It's actually kind of good. That way I can lift it out and see if it needs to be watered. This just barely fits in here. I know the Lechuza may come through here. It's fine, it'll be alright. So ugly. And it has, can I smash it down? No. Cause this is acting like the self-watering pot, you know, where it has a lot of space at the bottom, so it'll be like that reservoir of water. Whereas if I put it in the big one, it just flat down at the bottom. But that looked ugly. She showed me it's ugly. Alright, gonna have to go with the other one. And we're gonna take this baby out and repot it. Okay, I'm back. I'm supposed to be going grocery shopping, and as soon as I walked out the door, I saw that Lechuza, and it stopped me in my tracks. So let's quickly do this. So I am grocery shopping, like I'm supposed to be. Okay, so I guess first thing we need to do is pour all this out and get this out as gently as possible. I mean, this has been in there for a long time. Look at the roots on that. Oh my gosh. I'm scared to get this thing out of here. Come on. Come on. They put a lot of soil on top. But since those roots are everywhere, I'm trying to be very careful. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right. Look at that. Okay. So we got that out. Here's our nursery pot. We're going to put the Lechuza in. Let's quickly do this because I got to get to the grocery store. Come on, Shoni. Focus. 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 Really, it's lighter than I thought. Okay, it's definitely gonna fall through. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Alright, let's get them out. I love the way Lechuza sounds. It's so ASMR-y.
So I mixed that around. Now we're gonna use our Grow concentrate for our watering. Got my watering can here. And I'm just gonna shake it up. This has live earthworm castings, all this amazing stuff in it. So I'm gonna squirt a little. This is just good old Mother Earth rainwater that I collected. It rained a lot recently and I collected 3 gallons of rainwater. Okay. Stir that around. Okay, and let's just give her a watering, and I gotta get to the grocery store. And that's it, and that's all. Good luck, little baby. Alright. Of course, I'm not worried about it being filled up a lot because it was in straight water its whole life, so. Let me see. How much water is in there? Oh, this is going to be a pain to get out every time. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do the initial draining. of the lechuza. I don't care. It'll be fine. I'm not trying to overcomplicate this. It ain't that serious. It's a plant. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It will be fine. There you go, little baby. Welcome to your new home. Oh, that looks very moisturized. Oh, I can see the water line. It's all the way to the top. Just about. Oh, that's perfect. This looks so pretty. Look at that. What a transformation. I'm not putting, it's a space there because I'm going to buy more Adansonii and add it in here. So I left a little space here, here, here.